If you're starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026, stop copying old advice. Because right now, thousands of channels are getting buried before they even hit 10 videos. Not because the creators are lazy, not because the editing is bad, but because YouTube changed the game. And the people still using 2024 strategies are building channels designed to fail. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact 5-step system I'd use if I had to start from zero today. No audience, no subscribers, no brand, just AI tools, strategy, and consistency. And trust me, step number 3 is the difference between uploading for fun and building an actual business. Welcome to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brooks, and let's get into it. Most people choose a niche based on one thing: what am I interested in? That's a mistake, because interest alone doesn't build a successful channel. In 2026, your niche needs to pass 3 filters. Filter 1, interest. Can you realistically make 50 to 100 videos about this topic without getting bored? Because motivation disappears fast when videos stop getting views. Filter 2, demand. Are people actively searching for this content? Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy to check. Search volume, competition, trending topics. If nobody is watching the topic, the algorithm has nowhere to send your videos. Filter 3, monetization. This is where most creators fail. Your niche should have multiple income streams: affiliate products, sponsorships, digital products, courses, communities, not just AdSense. Because in 2026, AdSense alone is not enough anymore. Now here's what's working right now. YouTube is rewarding educational content, tutorials, AI workflows, productivity, business, finance, skill-based content. Basically content where human input actually matters. But low-effort AI storytelling channels, fake documentaries, and mass-produced AI history videos, a lot of them are getting flagged as inauthentic content. That's the shift most people still haven't noticed, so don't build a channel AI can completely replace. Now let's talk about format, because how your content looks and feels matters more than ever. If you're creating educational or tutorial content, realistic AI avatars are performing extremely well right now. Tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, and Higgsfield make faceless content feel more human and trustworthy. Now let's talk about the most important part, the AI tool stack. Because in 2026, speed wins. The faster you can research, script, edit, and publish, the faster you grow. For research and script writing, I'd use Claude, ChatGPT. These tools help with scripting, titles, hooks, research, content structure. For voiceovers, I'd use ElevenLabs. Still one of the best AI voice tools available right now. For editing, CapCut, Premiere Pro. For visuals and AI-generated scenes, Runway, Higgsfield, Midjourney. And to organize everything, Notion. Your scripts, ideas, thumbnails, upload schedule all in one place. And here's the biggest beginner mistake: using 15 disconnected tools without a system. The creators growing fastest right now are building workflows, not chaos. Finally, let's talk about monetization, because the smartest creators in 2026 don't rely on one income stream, they stack revenue. Stream 1, affiliate marketing. This can start from day 1. Promote tools you already use like HeyGen, ElevenLabs, Notion, CapCut. Every video becomes an asset generating commissions over time. Stream 2, AdSense. Good income, but not enough by itself. Stream 3, sponsorships. Once you build authority in a niche like AI, business, productivity, software, brands start reaching out. Look, faceless YouTube in 2026 is still a massive opportunity, but the lazy approach is dying. The creators winning right now are combining strategy, AI consistency, and real value. That's the difference. So if you're serious about building a profitable faceless channel this year, start with the niche, because the right niche can change everything. And if you want more videos on AI tools, faceless YouTube, online income, and digital growth strategies, subscribe to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brooks, and I'll see you in the next one.